Sangmalula Tashtili, and hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good. So today what am I just planning to do? I am doing 24-hour challenge living in my car. That is a very difficult challenge for me. Definitely I'm a very busy woman. I never get that much time to just stay in a car, in a room, but somehow I have managed in today's Sunday. So I'm going to do that challenge for you guys. I hope I'll succeed. I'm not sure actually. So let's start. Let's begin. It's 9 a.m. morning and I'm going to have my breakfast in my car. So just check out my donut. It's just similar to my face. Big, so big, you know. Okay, so let's start. Let's begin the challenge. So guys, I had my breakfast and it was too yummy and it was too big. I couldn't complete this much. I left it. I'll have it later. Okay, so I finished my breakfast. Now what am I supposed to do in this car? So I'm gonna watch YouTube videos of my YouTuber friends. So let's just do some time pass. Right now I'm watching Crimson Titans vlog, so let's just complete this. And she's making a very good vlogs, and my YouTuber friends like Kuchung Nurbu and Dawo Kangzer, Kampatiki, and many are there, like Loksang family, Tashi Dodo. Many YouTuber friends are there. They're wonderful YouTube videos. I'm watching them and I'm getting inspired and I'm making go and go. Now it's getting too late. I need to call him for lunch. Khala kishta. So we'll get our food instantly. Oh, I got my food. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what all I got for food. See my lunch: rice, dal, and side dish potato spinach sabji he has made. Okay, so I'm gonna keep. I'm looking so dark. Is it okay? Is it okay? So let's have our lunch. Oh God, he forgot to get the spoon. It's okay. So let's have. Oh, it's so hot. Oh my God, I need to tie my hair. It's so hot, like anything. So I'm gonna have my lunch. So yum. Today I didn't prepare anything. I'm getting everything ready made. It's so good. Mm. And now I'm done. I forgot to keep the tissues over here, so okay guys, so what shall I do now? I need to keep plates here, and then oh god, I'm full now. What shall I do up next? I need to search for oh, I have got this, my mask, so let's just sleep. There is no such time pass. What shall we do in this car? So I think so I brought something. Ta-da! Nail polish. I'll apply nail polish. I don't get time. I usually really don't get time to apply this nail polish and all. So let's do some self-care, Snacks, please. Now it is 4 o'clock. I need some snacks. Snacks, please. Thank you. So my daughter has brought snacks for me, and I am going to eat before showing you guys. So this is the snacks. Yeah, it is yummy. It is. Let's have it. It looks so yum, right? See, it looks so yummy. It's so spicy. Oh god, I was about to fall asleep, So guys, it is 6 p.m. now. It's getting dark. You can see it's getting dark. Sun has just set and it's getting dark. So how am I gonna on the light over here? We have a light over here, and guys, now it is very dark. I hope you can just see me. Now I'm waiting for dinner. Oh my god, I'm so tired, and I'm tired of sitting, and I want the dinner. Get me dinner. Oh my god, I have to call. So my dinner is coming here. Okay, I got my dinner. Okay, so I got my dinner. So what's in my dinner? This is mutton fried rice. Okay, just check out. I'm gonna show. Can you just see? So let's have our dinner. It's so dark. How to? So guys, I'm done with my dinner. So what next? Let's wait for around half an hour. I'll just watch out some of Hotstar serials because I cannot miss any of the episodes. So I'm gonna watch that. Till then, take rest. Now it's 9 o'clock. I think I should sleep. So let's sleep, okay? So I have my blanket over there, so I'm gonna sleep. So let's take a shortcut. Good night, guys. So I'm gonna sleep now. Let's take the blanket. Good night. My kids are crying, I think, so I can't stay away from them. I don't think so I can keep this challenge, you know. Guys, I can hear their voice. They are crying like anything. I have to go. It cannot be called as 24-hour challenge. It is a 12 hours challenge living in a car. So let's just see what they are doing. Oh my god, see what they did with this room. Oh my god. And let's just check the kitchen. Oh my god, so much of utensils to wash. Am I gonna do all these things? Oh my god, I'm already tired of sitting in car. So guys, thank you so much for watching my vlogs. I hope you guys liked it, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share.